Hello, welcome back for another video. As you guys may know, I'm still in Chiang Mai. I'm here for the rest of the month. Well, I'm here for exactly 1 month. I booked the place for 1 month. So I'm at a new place. I'm at my own place now for a month, and I want to show you guys the room. I want to show you guys my budget, or like what I paid for the room, and what that amount of money gets you here in Chiang Mai, or what it could potentially get you, because there's so many different places. So you have variety, you got options. I'm also going to show you guys some of the area that's by, so some of the convenience I have at the place I'm staying at, which includes street food, 7 which I'm walking to. All right, so right outside of here, there's a little coffee shop. And we'll walk a little further down and see what else we got going on here. Some fried chicken. Got this pizza place. I haven't tried here yet, so I don't know how it tastes. And then we got this Lotus store right here. I want to see if they have some, I need like a broom. Let's see if they have cleaning supplies in here. So I do not know. They would sell a broom here. Ice cream. Ooh. Ice cream would be good. Okay, so I don't think they have a broom in here. But now I'm here, kind of a sweet tooth. No. Okay, so this is like a mini grocery store here. They don't have a broom, so I will not find what I'm looking for. Oh, they do have an iron though. I need one of those. All right, so I need to come back there and buy an iron. Mini Big C, they might have a broom, but I don't feel like walking over there right now. We'll do that later. Let's walk back this way. All right, so apparently my microphone died, so gotta get that charge back up. But we're gonna walk over here. Show you guys another area that's beside the place I'm staying at. So you have these different stands. I came here and got a smoothie. I'm not sure the operating hours, but we're gonna grab a smoothie from here. Also had some fried chicken from this place yesterday, which is also solid. I got some from the lady on the side that was freshly done. But we're gonna get ourselves a smoothie. So we got another piece of chicken for 25 baht and also a whole smoothie for 25 baht. Just to give you guys some perspective, 50 baht is about $1.31. So 25 baht, what, like 80 cents? Where else do you get a fresh fruit smoothie for 80 cents? Nowhere, baby, nowhere. All right, so here is the walk up to the place I'm staying at, called the Kang Sing. I don't even want to pronounce it wrong. If you guys know how to say it. There's a coffee shop right here. Nice waterfall. And there's another pharmacy. And then we're gonna walk all the way down here. Might have to come out here and ball. I ain't balled in a minute. Oh look, it's live fish in here. That's nice. Straight ahead is a pool. It's not a big pool, but nonetheless, it's a pool. And here we are. And here we are. This is the room I have here at this residence. It's not bad. Nice sized bed, got a couch area, mini fridge, TV, a balcony, which not really a view, nothing to look outside to besides this other building. This little counter area. So good light, natural light coming in. I could have a full body mirror, so you know what I'm saying? We can see how sexy your boy is. Top to bottom, not playing. And then we got the bathroom. Oh, no lights because I didn't put my key card in. Gotta put the key card in to get power. We come in here. Bathroom, toilet, and pretty decent sized shower. And that's it, guys. This is the room. So for those of you who are curious, Chiang Mai, this place cost me 6,000 baht for the month, for 30 days. That comes out to about $180, which comes out to $6 a day. $6 a day to stay, and have, a roof over your head. So that is pretty freaking cheap, because there's nowhere in the US that you can stay for $6 a day. And if you could, it would be like a box. It would be a crap hole. So I'm not complaining. For 180 bucks, I'll take it. If you look around more, you might be able to find better options for 6,000 baht. I don't know, didn't really want to give it much headache. I just need my own place because I've been staying in hostels in between to try to socialize, but I can only do it for a couple of days. Then I need to stay at my own place so I can get work done and be productive, right? So included here is Wi-Fi. The only additional bill I have at the end of the month will be like electricity and like a little small cleaning fee for them cleaning the room once I leave. Besides that though, it just required a deposit that I'll get returned after I leave here, as long as no damage is done. And that was 5,000 baht was a deposit. As far as the lease goes for 1 month, what did they require? They literally would just took my scanned my passport, took the deposit, and that was it. Super easy process to get a lease here in Thailand. Unlike in the States, we got to run your credit and do all this, jump through hoops just to get an apartment. But here it's a lot simpler. Typically it's 1 month's deposit plus first month's rent, or 2 months deposit plus first month's rent. Typically gets you an apartment here, no questions asked, right? You're good to go. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about apartments, I'm gonna do a specific video, another video where I talk about how the best way to find apartments in Thailand. So be on the lookout for that video. I know you guys have some questions, so I'm gonna try to answer them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm now gonna enjoy my fried chicken and my strawberry mango smoothie that only cost 80 baht. I'm looking forward to the chicken though. Let me eat it up before it gets cold. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.